institution of sabotaging him. But this is not about the judiciary. This is about where Ruto wishes to take Kenya and what it means for Kenyans. Having captured parliament, Ruto now wants to intimidate, subdue, and capture the judiciary.
They say that Azimio la Umoja waache vitisho, waite maandamano. They say that Azimio la Umoja should do their work as the opposition. And again, wanafika wanaogopa, wanasema that you should not start intimidating us by saying mutafanya maandamano. Mutaharibu, mkifanya maandamano, mutaharibu vitu za watu. You know, and the stories go on and on and on. And now today I want us to discuss matters, intimidation, and the corruption of the system. My good name is Daniel Onsare Nyagaka, and of course, karibu sana kwa this broadcast. And I've been watching akina Ndindi Nyoro wakitupa vitisho sana. When Baba speaks, they always want to kurudisha, yani lazima watafute kitu ya kuongea. I don't know if they want to trend. I don't know if they want to they do it because they know what they're doing. I've never understood. But behold, ladies and gentlemen, 2024 is going to be rough. And I've never asked Baba to call for maandamano. But this time round, I'm really asking Raila Odinga, to call for maandamano because Kenyans are tired. I've never thought of saying that we need maandamano, but this time round, I will be a happy man to see Kenyan demonstrate for their rights, to see Kenyan demonstrate fighting for their future, to see Kenyans demonstrate, young people demonstrate, youth demonstrate because of their freedom, because of whatever that is happening in this country. We have a dead country. We have a country that needs resuscitation. And resuscitation means we need some new energy in the government. The government that we have right now is a dead government. The government that we have right now, it's a government that is not going to take us anywhere. And now, for reformations to be done, there needs a revolution. And a revolution to be done, it needs a call of young people who are bold enough to come out and express their sentiments and show the world that they need back their freedom. Saizi tuko na inji yenye we don't know if tomorrow we will be surviving. Saizi tuko na inji ambayo everybody right now don't know if whatever they have is theirs, because madeni saizi ni ushuru after ushuru after ushuru. Hiyo ushuru ikishatolewa, we don't know kwenye inaenda. We have not seen anything constructive that is being done with the tax that is being taxed, the heavy tax that is being taxed. by the government. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday Raila gave a statement about the way the system is operating with the judiciary, the kind of threats that are being posed to the judiciary to make sure that they are weak, the same way the president weakened the parliament. Nowadays parliament wameshikwa makende, parliament wameshikwa, they can't even say anything, they can't even do anything. Mulikula, waheshimiwa walikula pesa ya Ruto, akina Sabina Chege and the rest and the others, they can't even say anything because they've been bought, wamenunuliwa. Those people that were in Azimio, because Azimio had the majority in parliament, when president came and bought them, nowadays they can't talk. Tunajua wanaumia, tunajua kwenye wako they are not safe, tunajua wanaumia, but they can't talk. And now he has decided parliament nishaishika, they can do whatever I want them to do, let me go for the judiciary, let me go for this other system, this other arm of the government, yenye ni the judiciary. Mr. President, remember, you can buy everyone. You can buy the judiciary, you can buy parliament, but you cannot buy, you cannot, and I repeat, you cannot buy the sovereignty ama the people of Kenya. You can buy everything and everyone, but the people of the country, the people of this nation, wenye wamekasirika, wamechoka na uongozi wako mbaya, you cannot buy them. Trust me, you. The only solution, because I saw you say that you need a solution, the only thing that you're going to do, you need to do in Kenya right now, is just to do your work. Number 1. Let a free education. Number 2. Number 3, make the medical field ikue free for Kenyans. And number 4, vile ulikuwa unasema subsidy kwa unga, kwa fertilizer pale ndio chakula ikue cheaper, make sure that tuko na enough food for Kenyans. Then now utulie, uache kupiga mdomo, because Kenyans are tired. Uongo, we don't buy. Saizi hatununui uongo. Kenyans are tired of uongo. Wakenya wamechoka na uongo. They just want to see real things happening. They want to see real things zinafanyika. You just want kudanganya tu. Unataka tu kudanganya tu. Yani kazi yako ikue tu ni kudanganya tu. No, Mr. President, that one I say no. And now the way you want to intimidate the system in the judiciary, we are not going to buy that. And one thing I have to request Baba is that tafadhali, ile maandamano ulikuwa unasema, we are ready. Kenyans are so much ready. Watu wa Mount Kenya wako so much ready. Watu wa Rift Valley, they are so much ready. Watu wa Nyanza are so much ready. Watu wa Western, watu wa Mombasa, watu wa wapi, they are tired and sick and tired of this system ya William Samoei Ruto. Watu wamechoka baba. And now if you can call for that maandamano Raila Odinga, it will be a great honor for Kenyans. It will be a great honor for that mama mboga mwenye alidanganywa. It will be a great honor for that bodaboda mwenye mafuta imeshinda ikiongezwa kila wakati. It will be a great honor for that policeman mwenye amekuwa akitumika vibaya na amejua what he needs to do. It will be a great honor for that mwalimu kutoka nje na kusema we need to change this nation. We will not be quiet. We have to talk on behalf of Kenyans. We will not be silenced. We will not be quiet because time is ripe. We need to do something. Kenya, and for those who are watching me, we all need to do something. Thank you so much for watching. My good name is Daniel Onsari Nyagaka, and until next time, peace. Thank you. Thank you. Nawawekea video ya Raila Odinga hapo akisema about mambo ya judiciary. But tuendelee kusupport. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you've not commented, liked, and given your sentiments, just do. And also, don't forget to share to your friends this, because kila siku we keep on growing. Thank you so much. Until next time, peace.
Institution of sabotaging him. But this is not about the judiciary. This is about where Ruto wishes to take Kenya and what it means for Kenyans. Having captured parliament, Ruto now wants to intimidate, subdue, and capture the judiciary. He wants the judges not to hear cases against his policies, dismiss such cases, or always rule in his favor. In other words, Ruto wants to establish an absolute dictatorship. Our judiciary is imperfect. It has corrupt elements. But Ruto cannot convince us that the judiciary is more corrupt than the executive branch of the government, which he leads. Corruption resides in the executive. The worst case of executive corruption, of impunity, right now is the acquittal of Mr. Henry Rotich over the Aror and Kimarel dams, where whooping 63 billion Kenya shillings was lost. The executive went all out to ensure witnesses were never summoned, or those summoned were never questioned. We appeal to the judiciary to stand firm in defense of the professionalism, independence, rule of law, and constitutionalism. In this judiciary, I see products of the old struggle against a vicious dictatorship. I trust that they will not allow judicial proceedings and decisions to be determined by Ruto's tantrums. With all its weaknesses and challenges, the judiciary, alongside external vigilance by citizens, remains our best bet against a return to dictatorship. On the subject of Mr. Ruto's latest strange rage, the judiciary is too critical to the well-being of our country and our democracy, making it extremely important that we call Ruto out and tell him that he has crossed the line. It remains our position to date that disobeying court rulings is a sure path to chaos and the collapse of a nation. Mr. Ruto has captured parliament, and bills now come straight from State House and get ratified by the lawmakers. Sometimes up to 2 bills or 3 are ratified in one afternoon. There's no debate in bunge these days on bills. Sasa yale ambayo anafanya sasa ni vitisho. Jaribu kutisha mahakama, eti mahakama inapewa rushwa ndio watoe uamuzi dhidi ya serikali. Na anasema yeye sasa hata heshimu uamuzi ya mahakama. Ataendelea kufanya kazi yake hata dhidi ya uamuzi ya mahakama. Hiyo yenyewe inaonyesha kwamba anataka kuacha utawala ya kisheria na kikatiba. na kutawala nchi hii kwa njia ya dikteta. Mtu akiongea hiyo lugha, ambaye anaongea hiyo lugha, ajue ile kitu ambayo anafanya. Yeye anataka nchi hii iteketee. Manake kama anasema yeye hawezi kuheshimu sheria, na Wakenya wengine walisema kama serikali, kama rais mwenyewe hawezi kuheshimu sheria na uamuzi wa mahakama, kwa sababu gani sisi wenyewe tushurutishwe kuheshimu? Na hiyo ni njia moja ya kupeleka nchi hii kaburini. Ni sababu tumeambia Bwana Ruto, heshimu mahakama. Na vile vile usijaribu kuteka mahakama nyara. Ati mahakama iwe ni kama karagosi ya serikali. Wacha mahakama wafanye kazi yao kulingana na sheria na katiba vile imewekwa. Nafuata sheria hiyo. Kama mahakama imesema hii ni mbaya, heshimu. Kama wewe unaweza kukata rufaa kwa hiyo mahakama, mpaka ufike kule juu kileleni huko, pale ambaye huko na marafiki yako.